Okay.
There. Tailstock barrier, because I didn't cancel my barrier, so I think it's using a tailstock.
Okay.
Cancel my barrier. There's a speed, it's gonna speed straight across to the paper out.
How's she run?
As in...
Any issues?
No, actually not. For all of it, very nice. Holds size really well. There's just minor issues like the tool eye you actually have to help bring down.
Oh, well, tool eyes are finicky.
Yeah, once you hit the button, you have to manually bring it down and push it back up.
Okay.
But otherwise, tailstock, get her to move for you. Okay. That's rapid, and then it goes back. Chip conveyor.
I think you got some stuff in there. Don't go too far.
Yeah, that's actually a spindle stop for inside here.
Okay.
So, then,
have you run that? I'll watch the control here a little bit.
Alright. I'll just rerun that same
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Oh, tailstock, not home, so